I have this beautiful Word document. I have created some family updates, some pictures, and text. I really want to convert this Word document into a PDF file. So, to convert a Word document into a PDF or to export a Word document to PDF, what we have to do is obviously open the Word document and go to File and click Save As. And a little window will pop up. I am using Mac, but if you are using Windows laptop, desktop, or a Windows device, you might see a different menu, but idea is the same. So name it whatever you want to name it. So for example, let me call it Family Catalog 2, and we want to save this document as a PDF. So the file format which we're going to select would be PDF. So we select PDF, and we want this to be a best for electronic distribution and accessibility. So this is the default option we get. We will go with this one because this is really good for distributing a PDF files electronically in an email, or putting it in online for downloading for any of your customers or colleagues, or if you have some business documents, for example. But you can select the second option as well, which is best for printing. For now, let's just go with this and click export. Once we click export, it is going to then convert the Word document into a PDF file. So it has converted the document, and let us just open the file again. So if we open up our documents folder, we can see that there's a family catalog 2.pdf. So let's click on that document, and it is now going to open up the file. So here you go. We can see that that's a PDF file, and it has actually created 2 pages. Obviously within our Word document we have 2 pages, and it has converted both of those pages from Microsoft Word into a PDF file. This is a really simple and easy way to convert any Word documents or Microsoft Word documents into PDF, and it works really great. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Leave comments if you have any feedback. Thank you very much.